My final cartography project, I mapped deforestation patterns as seen through satellite imagery. Given that this is a cartography course, I decided to focus on deforestation patterns that are specifically interesting in a design sense. The first pattern is fishbone deforestation. This page of my website explores a type of deforestation particularly prominent in the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. This pattern follows the curve of a road, as seen here where my mouse is, and extends out into the forest, clear-cutting land. This map shows three main layers. The base layer is an Esri satellite image base layer. On top of that, I have overlaid a Hansen et al. Global forest loss dataset from Global Forest Watch. And I have used a tan color for this data set to mimic the natural earth color of deforestation and to highlight areas of the forest that have seen the most or the heaviest amounts of logging. Finally, I have included a WDPA or World Database on Protected Areas layer to show areas of the Amazon that are protected but that have still seen deforestation in recent years. Particularly, this data set, Hansen et al., includes the years 2001 to 2018. So this is very recent logging in a protected area. On each page, I have embedded a link to Global Forest Watch's interactive mapping platform that allows users to look at different forest data sets and really is the best place to go to learn all about deforestation. So the second type of visually intriguing deforestation I have mapped in this project is called checkerboard deforestation, and it's particularly prominent in the Pacific Northwest of the United States and in Canada, where historically over the past 200 years there have been lots of land use rights given over to different organizations and different people that have resulted in this checkerboard pattern across the land that is definitely not a natural pattern of deforestation. And while most of the logging in this area no longer is as severe as it previously was, these shapes are still visible from satellite imagery. However, on this map, I've used SRTM digital elevation model over the United States because such high resolution data is available. So I created a hillshade to show the mountainous terrain of this forest. I also included a populated places layer from the US Census Bureau in this map to show that the human impact on this area is very severe. And again, I included Global Forest Watch. Finally, I showed a map of a vein-like deforestation pattern, which I sort of named myself, but this pattern is definitely evident across Papua New Guinea and across parts of Central Africa. It is a much larger scale map here. See, this is only about 3 miles. So this deforestation is not as severe, however, it is still impacting the natural habitat of many animals by creating gaps in the canopy here. As you can see, this is like multiple miles long, and it can be seen from the satellite imagery that logging is occurring in recent years. Here are my sources, and I hope you enjoyed learning about different types of deforestation patterns that you can see from space.